Hi there, I've partnered up with global technology brand Honor to share some tips on making a creative CV using a MagicBook Pro and the Affinity apps. I'm going to base my CV on a combination of a poster CV hybrid, with the artwork being inspired by psychedelic pinball machines and old gig posters. The poster side was made in Affinity Designer using the MagicBook Pro. Here are some stages in making the artwork to show you how I use Designer to make my vector illustrations. For the text side of the CV itself, I use Affinity Publisher to put it all together. It's a nice app that is well suited for this type of work, though you can do this with Designer and get similar results. So, why make a poster CV hybrid? Well, the way I'm thinking is that they could end up keeping my CV and even putting it up on the wall if they desire to do so. It's more of giving it a dual purpose so that it isn't tossed aside and forgotten about. Don't be afraid to put in any creative things that you might have done, regardless if they are small. Be it a zine that you've worked on which you are proud of, or maybe being involved in a group show at your local college, as this could be seen as showing that you have worked on a variety of different creative projects which can be applied when working in the numerous sectors within the creative industry. That's the beauty about making a creative CV. You can make it as complex and ornate as you want it to be, or you could go in the other direction and make a simple but well thought out CV which will get you noticed. And considering the current state of the world and what 2020 has turned into, being able to show off a variety of creative skills could help you stand out from the crowd. While putting together the CV on the MagicBook Pro, I really like the amount of screen real estate it offers. With its 16-inch screen, I have enough room to get my work done while also having the benefit of portability. Lastly, don't be afraid to put some art elements on your CV, especially if you do dabble in making illustrations and so on, as they can help bring out the best of what your CV can be. In the end, have fun making your CV, as whatever direction you take it in, I'm sure that it can be seen within your final design, which is a good thing when it comes to making your work stand out. If you would like to get your hands on Honor's MagicBook Pro featured in this video, then they start from £849 and more info can be seen at highhonor.com.